What's going on, World Wide Web? It's your boy Marlon O'Bennett, the original student of the game of internet marketing. Guys, I am so super pumped and super excited tonight to be able to bring you guys a special webinar that I'm putting together for you guys. And it's just an exciting time to be an internet marketer, and it's an exciting time to be able to do this type of webinar, guys, which is a little bit different than any webinar I've ever done before. So you guys are in a great place today. And if you sit back and you're not careful, guys, you just might learn some things you never knew about the fastest way to start making money online working from home. And what I want to do, guys, so I won't be wasting any of your time, let me tell you who this webinar is not for, guys. Who this webinar is not for. This webinar is not for anyone who doesn't understand the fact that there is work involved, right? And anyone who doesn't understand that the only place you will ever find success before work is in the dictionary. Now let's talk about who this webinar is for, guys. This webinar is for anyone who has made an attempt to make money online and never earned a single dime. Anyone who has made some money but gave up because the money stopped coming in for some reason, and particularly for brand new people who just want to learn incredible techniques, tactics, and strategies that absolutely anyone can use to start making money online. So guys, now that you've been qualified or disqualified, right? And if you're ready to get on with this webinar and get on with the show, if you're finding me on YouTube, guys, go ahead on and click the link in the YouTube video description area so I can get you guys over to the webinar. Sit back, relax, prepare to have a great time. Again, guys, prepare to keep an open mind. And let's see, can we get you guys started on the fast track to making money online, working from home with your very own business? Okay, as always, this is your boy Marlon O'Bennett wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. And I'll see you guys on the inside.